It's playing now.
All right, my friends, welcome back. Today, before you get started, I want you to make the alphabet. So you're gonna write them out, A, B, C, all the way to Z.
Sorry.
God bless you.
Thank you.
This is gonna be very helpful for you. And if at any time you need to pause, go ahead and pause until you get caught up. So on April 8th, we are gonna do page 99. We're gonna put the words in alphabetical order, which means ABC order. So in box number 1, we have cat, ant, giraffe, and dog. We're gonna look at the pink highlighted letters. Which letter comes first in the alphabet? C, A, G, or D? Look at your alphabet. A comes first. So on line number 1, you're going to write the word that starts with the A, ant. Well, there's not a B in the alphabet. The next letter is C. Is there a word that has a C? Cat. You're going to write cat for number 2. Then you're going to decide, does G or D comes next? Look at your alphabet if you need help. Then you're going to put the last word in line 4. You're going to do the same thing for rat, fly, zebra, and bird. Now, if you look underneath to the next one, we have age, arm, axe, and add. Now, do you notice that every word starts with the same letter, A? Well, this makes it a little bit more difficult. But what we have to do here is go to the second letter, G, R, X, and D. So if you want to cheat a little bit, you can write A on those 4 lines because all the words start with A. So what comes first? G, R, X, or D? Look at your alphabet if you need help. The D comes first. So we're going to write the word add on line 1. What letter would come next in the alphabet? G, R, or X? If you look at the alphabet, letter G would come next. So you're going to write age in line number 2. Then you have to do the same thing for arm and axe for 3 and 4. On the next side is the same thing that we just did. All the letters are going to start with C, so you're going to have to go to the second letter. Make sure you use your alphabet. You can pause at any time if you need to. Okay, on page 100, how would Edda say it? What we're going to do is we're going to read the story, The Lost Mitt. That's going to be in your Super Kid book. On page, oh boy, Miss Costa was not ready. Shame, shame, shame. 153. And it's going to go all the way, ooh, this looks like a good story to read, to 164. So I'm going to read the first chapter today. The winner's mitt. Annabette's softball team was about to play the Giants, not the San Francisco Giants. She said, "The Giants are the best team in the city." Annabette looked at her mitt. "I have had this mitt for ages," she said. "It is a mess. Mice ate the laces. There is a huge rip in the center. I left it out in the rain twice, so it has spots in places." Annabette looked at the mitt in the sports shop. The winner's mitt is nice and fancy, she said, but the price is too much. I have only $3 and some change. Let's face it, I'm stuck with my mitt. Let's hope it's a winner's mitt too. You're going to continue reading the rest of the chapters to answer the questions. Number 1 says, Fritz, your mitt was super. She said gently or thankfully. Make sure you write the words nice and neat. Number 2, I must catch that ball, she whispered. Softly or sleepily. You'll know the answers if you read the story. If not, go back and read it now. Number 3, that was a great game, she said, happily or sadly. Number 4, Fritz, I lost your mitt, she said, sadly or excitedly. Number 5, maybe I can earn some cash, she said, hopefully or angrily. That's it for today's lesson. But guess what? I have another fun fact. Did you know you can't smell anything when you're sleeping? Who knew?